question I'm asked quite often is how easy is it really to install the closet cabinet? What I want to do today is walk you through a recent installation that we did in the Dallas area. What you're looking at is the closet as it was before. This is where the homeowner wanted to install his new closet cabinet. We removed the door, the jamb, the frame, and the trim inside and out. We installed a dedicated electrical outlet. The wine cabinet arrived and was uncrated by the moving company. Here's a side view of the wine cabinet before installation. The trim pieces arrived with the cabinet. We installed the top trim piece with screws at the top of the cabinet. Here is another view of it from the front after installation. The side flange or trim piece also arrives with the cabinet and is installed on the left and right side of the cabinet, again with screws. You can see here on one side of the cabinet after installation. The cabinet is plugged in and slid into place. The lighting is tested. The case moldings are prepared, stained and lacquered in this case. The moldings are provided by the homeowner. The moldings are cut to fit and attached around the cabinet. This is the completed closet cabinet, and as you can see, quite a difference between the completed cabinet and what we had before. Very easy to install the closet wine cabinet. For one of your own, visit Wine Cellar Specialists and give us a call.